Alright, I'm over here at Dad's shop now. This is the Chevy 350 we're putting in the 39, the 4-hour build. I'll show you here how I go about detailing and lettering these all out. Super simple to do, super cheap, good old Sharpie. He just painted this. When did you paint this?
I painted it this morning.
This morning. So the paint is just barely dry. Still just barely out of the sticky. That's the perfect time for these because it sets the ink right into the paint. You can see here, I'm going to start with this one here. Real easy. Anybody can do it. I'm giving away my secrets here. And just trace over everything. When you're done, it'll give it that finished little detail, and it just makes things just pop. As you're doing it, you'll kind of feel the paint kind of grab a hold of it. That's when it's the perfect time to do it, because you want this ink to kind of go right in there. And then after it's all done, you'll clear it. Oddly enough, I learned this from the old body man that lives right across the way from us, right over there. And he showed me how to do this when he was doing fish, of all things. He used to catch his fish out of the river and the creeks around here, and then he'd freeze them, make a mold out of that, and then fill the mold with body filler, Bondo, whatever you want to call it. And then he would paint his fish. And then he would use different colored Sharpies to paint back in the spots and stuff on the fish. It's kind of where I got the idea from. Then he showed me how he cleared them, and they look like a real fish when it's done. But you can kind of see there how it just pops that right back out. And you just go over the whole motor and you look for any castings and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and make these look. They almost look like flathead screws in there. Let's make them come out a little bit. See how I kind of shadow it on the bottom there like that? This makes it kind of look like there's a screw holding that in. Yeah, it sounds like I'm getting called away to go do something else again.
Find out. Kurt's down at your place ready to load.
Okay. I think I'm finished up anyway.
Got it all done?
The guy's here to pick up my Studebaker motor, so I gotta run down there and load that up for him. Good thing, because the longer he took, the more second thoughts I had on it.
That's for sure.
Not as if you can just run down to the O'Reilly's and grab another one.
Ran really good.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta quit thinking about it, or
Yeah, I know.
I'll give him his money back.
You got pretty good money for it.
Okay, anyway, that's how I go about lettering it out. And then I was going to video here how to clear coat it, but the way you do it is you just fog it at first.
Well, when you get done down there with Kurt, come on back.
You won't clear it until then?
Well, it depends on how long it takes you.
It's Kurt.
Well, tell Kurt to come on up and see what we're doing.
There we go. There, now you can see that pretty good. You can see just a little time like that, and it's super cheap, super easy to do. And you'll get a feel for it. Just keep your tips clean and have fun with it. You can add anything you want on it. You don't have to follow the castings like I did here with that freehand. And it's a custom job. It's a rat rod. So don't worry if it's not symmetrical or anything, you know. Just go with it. Have fun with it. And they do last. Once you clear coat them, no matter what kind of heat or anything, the Sharpie, ask any body man, you never use Sharpies where you're going to paint because it don't come off. That's exactly what you want here. So once that's cleared, it'll stay on there pretty much forever. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back and let Dad get this metal hot here. You can see he's made that column there really short.